Hello and welcome back. We hope you're doing well. I'm Zach, and this is my co-host, David.
Hello, Zach. What are we talking about today?
And today we're talking about the recent Rocket Lab launch and the payloads that it took to orbit.
Sounds good. Let's get to it. The launch vehicle was a previously flown Electron rocket. These small rockets are capable of launching 661 pounds or up to 300 kilograms into low Earth orbit. The Electron has proven to be a fairly reliable rocket, having flown 47 times since it initially launched in 2017. The launch took place at Rocket Lab's Launch Complex 1, located in Mahia, New Zealand. Liftoff occurred at 10:32 a.m. New Zealand Standard Time on April 24th. The flight went smoothly, with the rocket lifting its payloads into orbit without issue.
The mission, called Beginning of the Swarm, or B.T.S, in a deliberate nod to the K-pop group, carried two payloads. The primary customer for the launch is the Korea Advanced Institute of Science and Technology, or KAIST. The mission had a secondary customer, NASA. The KAIST payload is a satellite called NEON-SAT-1. This satellite is dedicated to Earth observation, with its focus being the Korean Peninsula and the waters that surround it. The data collected by the satellite will be paired with artificial intelligence to monitor for natural disasters in the region. NEON-SAT-1 is the first of a planned constellation of 11 satellites that will be capable of fully imaging Korea several times a day.
The NASA payload is a technology demonstration called the Advanced Composite Solar Sail System, or ACS-3. The mission will test new materials that can catch sunlight and use it to propel a spacecraft through space. Specific objectives include successfully deploying the boom that will unfurl the sail, evaluation of the shape and design of the sail, characterization of the thrust functionality of the sail as the craft changes orbit, and collection of data on the sail's performance to inform the design of larger and more complex systems.
Future applications for the solar sail system include use by space weather early warning systems, recon missions to asteroids, and as communications relays for future crewed exploration missions.
Another interesting aspect of this launch is that the two payloads were placed into different orbits. NEON-SAT-1 was dropped off at 520 kilometers, 323 miles, while ACS-3 required a higher altitude of 1,000 kilometers, or 621 miles.
You know, I love a good rocket launch. I've actually had the opportunity to see a few during a recent vacation down to Florida. How about you? Have you seen any rocket launches?
Unfortunately, not yet. I haven't had the opportunity to view anything in person, although, of course, I've seen some online. What about this Rocket Lab launch, though? Anything you find particularly interesting?
Yeah, I love Rocket Lab. I love their Electron rocket. It's kind of a workhorse. 47 launches. I mean, that's pretty good. I'm actually really excited for their next rocket, which is the Neutron. They're currently working on the launch facilities in Virginia, and that's where they'll be launching this new rocket from. How about you? What caught your interest?
You know, the solar sail, I think, is some of the most exciting potential propulsion system research that I have seen. I think that at least in concept, the solar sail has some really cool applications, and I hope to see that they are able to both deploy this version and also make a more substantial, larger version, and I guess see where we can get.
All right, everyone, if you've made it this far, please like and subscribe for more Beyond Earth news. I've been Zach.
And I've been David. Thanks for watching.